Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, 3rd of May, 2016. Hope you're having a good week. Slow start to the week here in the markets. Got some movement in Forex. Futures were fairly slow, and stocks got a couple things, but it was just basically just a drift session. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market, and you can see, we have that 13 sell signal that's contained us. The risk line is the pink line from that. Been looking for the rollover that kind of started Thursday and Friday. Monday was not a continuation of that, as we actually came back up a little bit, even though we were flat early on. But the signal's still in place, and we'll see where that leads us. Let's go through some of the key things that we watched. We had a 13 sell signal on crude oil a couple days ago, and that's starting to roll over as well. Down a buck today to 44.87. Gold was up $2.60. S&P cash index ended up gaining 16. NASDAQ 100 gained 40. SOX gained just under 5 points, which is basically a non-move there. Biotech's up 30. The VIX lost a point. The TRIN closed at 1.34, which is pretty high. Brings the 10-day moving average back up to 1.06, so there's no signal there. NASDAQ volume closed at 1.7 billion. That's better than the 1.45 billion that we saw last Monday, but it's still worse than 3 days last week. So hopefully it's just like last week. Volume will get better every day now that we're in a new month and we don't have a Fed meeting and all that stuff. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ was plus 593. On the New York, it was plus 800. That's pretty good. Google gained 6 points back after losing quite a bit over the last couple of weeks. Apple lost a dime. Looks really ugly if it breaks 92 on Apple, right? Amazon up 24. Again, another big day for Apple. I'm sorry, for Amazon. Almost a new closing high on the stock. Netflix up $3.08. Bouncing back a little bit here. Let's take a look at the intraday action. We will switch this back to 5-minute candles. And what you see here, again, very small gap up that filled within about 20 minutes. After 40 minutes, we've gone nowhere. After 2 hours, we were still nowhere and in a very narrow range of about 8 points. And then over lunch, we just kind of started this upward drift, but never picked up any momentum. The candles were very small. There just wasn't much going on. Not the most exciting day, just start of the week as usual. All right, tomorrow we have the only data coming out on Tuesday is auto and truck sales at 2 p.m. Eastern time, so we don't have any data to get things going. So hopefully something else will get the market moving to start off Tuesday. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday.